This is an air pressure experiment. My name is William Towns. This is my son Dylan. We're going to go on ahead and perform this experiment. My son Dylan and I had done this before, and I'm going to explain the background research and method. These are all the things we need: hot plate, cold ice water, aluminum cans, tap water, and a measuring spoon for a tablespoon. Dylan, how did you go about doing this?
You get a tablespoon of water, you put it in the aluminum can, and you heat it up for 30 seconds. And you take the tongs, put it around the can, and you put it upside down in the cold water.
Okay, and what happens there is the evaporated water inside the can will push out the air, and when you turn the can upside down and place it into the cold water, what happens is the outside pressure is too great and the can will implode. And that happens because the water condenses rapidly and no air can fill that void fast enough because it is upside down in the water. Hence, you get the implosion. So we're going to go on ahead and set up, and we'll be back in a second. Alright, we have a can on the hot plate here with no water in it. We're going to use this as a control. We're going to pull it off the hot plate and dunk it upside down into the water. Alright, Dylan.
Alright, here we go.
Nothing happened?
Nope.
Alright, now grab another one, place it on there. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We have the second can on here heating up. It's just about 30 seconds, and go. I'm gonna grab it. You're gonna flip it upside down and dunk it down into the water. Nothing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do another one. We'll be right back. Alright, here we are. We're back. This one's getting ready to go on in the water as the control. Go ahead, Dylan. Alright. We have two more we're going to do, and we will be back. Alright, we are now on our fourth can, and go ahead, grab it. Let's go. Alright. We are going to try our fifth one, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have the final can in the control. Go ahead, Dylan. Alright. Okay, now, Dylan, I want you to get a tablespoon of water there and put 1 tablespoon in each can. And we will be back. Okay, Dylan, shake the can. We have a tablespoon in each. We're going to place it on the hot plate. And we will be back. Alright, we're back. Dylan, this is an experimental group. Go ahead and grab it. Don't get upside down. Quickly. Did you see? That's one. We're going to go on ahead and do another one. We will be back. This is number 2 of the experiment. Okay, go ahead. Now, I made sure that I went ahead and did 15 seconds on that to show you that the water has to be hot enough inside of there, and it has to expand and push out all the air inside the can in order for it to implode. So I'm going to go on ahead and put another teaspoon of water in there, or tablespoon of water in there, and I'm going to reheat the can to where it's supposed to be heated, and we're going to dunk in it again. Okay, we're back. Go ahead, quickly. And there we have it. We have liftoff. So we're gonna go ahead and try these ones out here, and we'll be back in a moment. All right, there's the third. There's the fourth. And the fifth one is on the plate. Go ahead. There we have it, guys. I'm going to go on ahead and reject the null hypothesis, which states that the cans would not crush when submerged upside down into cold water after being placed onto a hot plate with a tablespoon of water inside of them. What happened here is the air pressure from on the outside of the can, okay, did not equal the air pressure on the inside of the can once the air was pressed out of the can because of the evaporating water. Now, when the can was placed upside down in the water, the evaporated water was cooled very fast, and when that happened, the water vapor inside the can had cooled and condensed back into its water form, but there was no equilibrium. The outside air pressure was much greater than the inside air pressure of the can. Hence, you have this implosion effect. So, I'm going to go on ahead and say that Dylan and I had successfully recreated our experiment that we had done previously, and that Dylan had done in school with his teacher. And yeah, worked out pretty well. The hypothesis was that a tablespoon of water inside of an aluminum can, heat it for 30 seconds, and placed into cold ice water upside down would crush the can. Then the null hypothesis was that it would not crush the can. I reject that null hypothesis. As you can see here, we have 5 crushed cans. We had 5 in a control. We did not add water. We heated them. They were placed in the cold water, and they did not crush. So that's the end of the experiment. If you guys want to try it out, it's really cool. Something for you to see in person. When I first done it, it's pretty interesting. I wasn't expecting it to happen as drastic and as vigorous as it did. So going ahead, guys, have fun, and hopefully my next experiment will be with the basketball. Dylan, you want to explain that? What happens there when you take a basketball that don't have much air in it and you put it in hot water for a while and spin it?
It bounces better.
Bounces higher, huh?
Yeah, higher.
All right. So we'll do that next time, hopefully. And but for now, you guys have this. Thanks.